So, I saw that my best buddy Bear was talking trash. Oh, shoot, he trying to beat me up. Oh, ow, ah! Well, I broke your ankles. That's why you fell. Standing up to you.
Man, you trash. I'm gonna get out because I don't want to see your ugly face. I was gonna say stare, but I just said at the same time I was gonna say that.
Hey, yo, shut up. I need to wipe your ugliness off me.
Be quiet. Boy, you better be quiet. I'm about to send a diss track to you.
I'll do it first.
Nuh-uh.
Yay. Let me do it. Bear, get the freak off me. I'm trying to do a diss track. Bear. No, get the freak off. No, Bear. I'm clapping right back. Why you said I fell to that?
Get off of me. Get off of me. Right now.
Yeah, you get beat up. Yeah, boy. You want none of it. Hey, get the freak out me.
Hey, yo, you better be quiet. I'll beat your butt. That's why I use your toothbrush. That's why you don't.
Hey, you stole my lyrics. Oh, hold up. You stealing my lyrics? Oh, hold up. Backing right off you. I'm clapping right back at you.
You ain't doing nothing. Get off me.
You get rid of. You get beat up.
No, I'm not. You the one who get beat up.
You get beat up pretty bad. Bear. You get beat up.
No, break it up. I need to wipe your ugliness off of me.
Get off of me. Get the frick out of me. Yeah, get on my couch. Yeah.
Break it up. Hey, break it up. Security. No, son, he's ugly.
Hey, take that back.
You get beat up. Now you're under my control.
Frick off me. Frick. Shoot. Yeah, man.
Come here.
Yeah, you better
go. Yeah.
Scared.
Yeah, boy. You scared now. Took your toy from you. Okay.
Get off me. Shoot. There. Oh, my dick out. Bear, chill.
Look it up.
Nico. Bear, you better get the freak off me before I go berserker mode on you. Get the freak off me.
Nico, what the heck are you doing? Get the freak off me.
I'm getting your leg. Oh, you can't beat up now. You can't beat up now.
Not me. You're the one who about to get.
Oh, I'm getting beat up now.
Yeah, boy, you better scram.
Man, let me just put this diss track. Well, I'm too good. Yeah, I'm from the hood. That's why my name is Nico. Don't call me Rico. Don't disrespect my name. Don't say it in vain, huh? Nico, you spinning the bars? Hey, yeah. Now, Bear, hey.
Oh, you trying to talk trash? I'm here now. Yeah, you better be quiet. Oh, shoot, Bear, get the freak off of him.
Shake your ugliness off.
You better shut the freak up about that.
Hey, what'd you say?
Yeah, be quiet, eat your food. Yeah. That's why you got beat up.
Like, who's the one get beat up?
You!
Hey, I'm about to spit another diss track. You ugly. You look like you ain't, your hair ain't on track. That made no sense. You have no sense. You have no money. I don't know what else rhymes with money. Cash. I got cash. I'm as fast as Flash. Got toys everywhere. Yeah, I'm flexing. Yeah, I'm flexing. Look at this best toy. It's squeaky. You see, and it's bouncy. Yeah. So that's the best toy. And Nico too afraid to take it from me. Well, I know he ain't talking. Oh, I'm about to get on him. I'll get on him next episode. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys destroy the subscribe button. And
hey, shut up, Nico. Let me do that.
no, I'm doing the outro.
Just look at him do the outro. He's a YouTuber. That's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and peace.